Motorheads on YouTube. How we doing, guys? So, I know I've been off there for a while. Haven't put a lot of videos on. But here we go. We're back on. Okay? Got a lot of product videos coming out. Why? Well, never saw it in my life after years and years of restoring cars and building cars that I'd be actually selling products again. But the foundation has been given 200,000 classic car parts. And we're excited to be back from that TUI warehouse. You're going to see a lot of videos about TUI. You're going to see a lot of videos about a Corvette shop. You're going to see some old videos that I did. And we're back. We're back full steam. For the nonprofit foundation, we have 200,000 brand new classic car parts that we're going to put out for sale to fund the foundation. We received a very good grant to go out to Kentucky and bring these parts home. Come in here and take a look at this. Engine bearings. I mean, all these totes are full of brand new car parts. We have, I know a lot of you guys on YouTube haven't seen it all, but we have shipping containers full of 7 tractor trailer loads we brought out of Louisville, Kentucky. Some great stuff we're getting ready to bring out on the market. All original stuff. Brand new pistons. And that's not the piston I was looking for, because that's not a small block Chevy. But there is sets of small block Chevy pistons here. There are original sets of flat tappet lifters from the 80s and 90s. In good shape, not rusty. Brand new in boxes stuff. And we couldn't be more excited to bring it to you. We've been working hard cataloging. We have our shipping center together. We have everything ready, and we're finally ready to come back full steam. You can see here, a lot of people told us about all the stuff we need to get out of there. And points and condensers, we have all original 60s, 70s, and 80s points and condensers. Well, not 80s, but you know what I'm saying. These are the original. This is the original stuff, brand new, not stuff that wears out. I've heard the complaints about all the parts. We have original master cylinders. We have tire chains. We have a wide range of stuff. Because we listened to you guys, several social media channels chimed in while we were packing up out there in Louisville, and we brought 7 tractor trailer loads home. So stay tuned for this journey, guys. I'm up to the Corvette shop helping him build some cars and sell his car parts, and I'm working with a team to sell all these car parts. Get ready, here we are. We're coming back, and we got a lot to show you guys. And I think a lot of you guys are going to really enjoy this amazing collection of brand new car parts we have to fund the Motorhead Men Nonprofit Foundation. And you can find us at SaveTheParts.org. Thanks for tuning in. Kuda Bill out.
They got it.
B-roll.
Yeah, we're just doing some struts. All sorts of neat stuff. Of course, we're going a lot of gear with us.